we must have an economy that is sustainable, economy that provides for virtually everybody that wants to be provided for, you know, an economy that gives everybody the opportunity to be creative, to express themselves. You know, talking about economy, why every day are we talking about dollar and naira, dollar and naira, you know? I think the era of allowing foreign influence in our economy should be looked into. You know, that should be, we should exit from that gradually. And how do we do this? This is my own opinion. For example, we have our reserve in America, the so-called reserve in America, that is used, is used by the American companies, banks, and other investment institutions to trade and enrich the economy. If I were to be a president today, I would take the following steps. Of course, I'll carry National Assembly along, I'll carry everybody along. I will seek to bring back our foreign reserve to Nigeria. I will not do that just for Nigeria alone. I will make sure that English-speaking nations in Africa, French-speaking, also do the same. So those who have the foreign reserves in France should also bring it back to their countries. Allow our banks to manage those funds. They are huge funds. I'm talking about 37 billion on average for Nigeria. If you have our banks managing it, at least through government policies, the banks could be guided as to how to manage the fund. For example, you can say, for the youths of Nigeria who are entrepreneurs, who want to get some loans, some facilities, give them no more than 4-5% interest rate. Because in Nigeria, currently, banks are not functioning as banks. They're not lending. They don't give money. They will take your money. The banks in Nigeria are currently not banks, the way I understand it.
Do they even have the money?
Okay? I don't know, but they are not banks, the way I know it. So I would want those kind of funds to be brought back to Nigeria and managed within Nigeria by Nigerians, but not just giving it to them and say, okay, well, if there are 20 banks, divide the money amongst them. And say, look, what you have this opportunity to lend to Nigerians who want to borrow for businesses. You know, borrowing to buy a house is a different thing from borrowing to, as a business, to generate
income,
you know. So I would want them to look at the viability of this. How can this help us? You know, and of course, talking about this, I will also want us to, I'm going to coin a phrase, nairalize the economy. I wouldn't want us to continue using dollars or pounds. Africa must get away from the shackles of colonialism and neo-colonialism. We cannot continue this way, you know, where we are still tying everything to the American dollar or to the British pounds or to the European euro, you know. I mean, just ask yourself the simple question: does America have foreign reserve anywhere? No. Do the British government have foreign reserve anywhere? No. The French government, do they have foreign reserve anywhere else? No. So you say we're 63 or so.
Yeah.
At 63, we are on the verge of retiring, if you were a human being, isn't it?
Yeah.